Hello, friends! Today, I'm going to make an amazing watermelon ice cream. And here are our watermelons.
Please, wait! How much do watermelons cost? Your watermelons cost $2. Okay. Here you are. Thank you.
Now we can go home. Hooray! I'll cut the watermelon into small pieces. Ta-da! Now, I'll put them in a bowl, but not all of them, most of them. And I'll mash it all up to make watermelon juice. Ready? We can pour the juice through a sieve to remove the pulp. Of course, I'll eat it. Great. I'll find a new bowl, put gelatin and sugar in there. I love it a lot. And now I'll pour in some warm water and stir it with a spoon so that it dissolves. Hooray! We can light a fire and cook on the stove. I'll boil my sweet water first. When bubbles appear, you can remove the saucepan. I'll pour it into 3 bowls. Why? You'll find out now. In the first, I'll pour watermelon juice. In the second, coconut milk. And in the third, I'll put some green dye. At the end, I'll add usual milk to all the bowls and mix it well. And here are my favorite ice cream molds. Now I'll pour the watermelon juice here and put them in the freezer for half an hour. Have you already understood my idea? It's the turn of coconut milk. And again, I put the molds for half an hour. And then the green layer as well. Perfect! Wow, it looks incredible! They're almost like real ones! Ta-da! Great watermelon ice cream is on my table. It looks unrealistically beautiful. Do you like it? Finally, we can try it! It's so delicious and sweet! Wow! Just wow! Thank you, friends! Put likes and subscribe to the channel! I just love to cook different goodies! It's great to be able to share this with you! Be brave, take a frying pan and join me! Let's work miracles together! Eat ice cream and other sweets! See you in the next video! Bye!